Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to this unboxing of the group Photo-folio. I ordered the set and it should come with the special outbox, so let's get into it. Let's look at the outbox first. It comes collapsed, so you can just put it together, I assume. Oh. That's nice. At the end, I'll put this on my shelf so you can see, but it's like a closed box. I thought it'd be an open, like sort of like a slide-in, but it's a closed box, and then you open it up and I guess you stack them all inside here. It would have been nice to see the spines of all the books since they do make a pattern, but this is an interesting design. It has all their names, and there is a magnetic clasp. Okay, there is a special calendar if you ordered the set during like the first press, I believe. Okay, it's a stand calendar like so, and oh, there's perforated lines, so I guess you just you have to cut, you have to rip away each new month. April, May, June. Love this photo shoot. Sorry, I'm obviously not gonna rip away the sheets yet, but try to show you as best I can all of the photos. Oh, so cute. I love the coloring and concept of this photo shoot. The like sports day at school concept. That's cute. Okay, there's up to January of the next year, so that's, gosh, 2024. So that's the calendar. All right, let us look at the photo book. As usual, there's the clear like plastic, and then through. Oh, what a cute photo right in the front cover. That's adorable. Us, Ourselves, and BTS is the title of this special photo folio. It looks like self-timed, like self photos, so they have the little button and they took their own photos. That's cool. And 2 pages of each member in fan chant order. Wait, Hobie, hold on. So 1, 2 of Namjoon, 3 of Namjoon, 3 of Jin, 3 of Yoongi, but Yoongi's on this side, not this side, and then Hobie, 3 of Hobie, Taemin이, 3 of Tae. Oh, Tae looks so good in that hat. No, look how cute JK is there. Gosh, these are taken a while ago though, because this is pre-lip ring JK, and his tattoos are like his older tattoos. We've got some photo strips, some 4 cuts, super cute. It's like they're added one by one. Oh, we love it when they're all scrunched together like that. And their faces are all squeezed in frame. Oh, and here's the special stamp sheet. Really cute. Love the coloring. Like I've said, love the coloring of this photo shoot. And like old sticker style of photos. That's so cute. Same here. I wonder if they decoed it themselves. Okay, Hobie and Yoongi, 태연, 지민이, Jin and Namjoon, and Jungkook. So one cut of each member. And then this section is called Us Ourselves. Still the same outfits. Here's a special print photo, it looks like. There's two print photos, this one and this one. Now they're in the classroom at school, and it's the BTS like sports day. So, oh my gosh, I love this photo shoot. I really, really like this concept. Here's more inclusions. We've got the like big print postcard that you can, the backs will line up to create a bigger picture from the individual members' photo-folios, and some Polaroid style photos. Oh, they've got like lunch boxes. And then a set of like Polaroids you can pop out. That's what it looks like on the back. That's cool. I'm getting nervous because I don't see my photo card yet. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's in the back. Let's look at this. I'll look at this poster in a sec since we're still flipping through. They're in the classroom. Oh, I like this photo. I really like these two here. On the school like field, blue versus white in the tug of war. Yeah, I really like it. I think there's sort of like a film camera feel to the photos as well. It's very retro and just nostalgic. And I only saw the back of the photo card, so I don't know who it is. Let's see. Jin! Jinny's here. Cutie patootie. And that is the end. Let me look at the poster. Cute. Blue versus white in the lunchbox. Look at JK's expression though. I love it. I feel like this is a pretty candid photo. Hobie's looking at the camera, and so is Jin, but this looks very like candid right here for Jiminee. Anyway, that is it for the special photo-folio. Let me show you what the outbox looks like. I guess not really, there's no need to, because I assumed this part would be clear so you could see all the spines, but it's not. So this is what it'll look like on my shelf, like so. All right, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.